Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Hisense TV and grabbing the remote so you can act quickly. Once the TV is on, press Home or Menu to open settings. This moves you from passive use into configuration. Make sure the TV is connected to your Wi-Fi because some voice features reference cloud profiles. After entering settings, navigate toward System, Device Preferences, or Accessibility. These are the typical places voice control options live, so you can find the control and proceed to change it. Once in settings, you need to drill down. Go to System or Device Preferences, then look for Voice Control, Voice Remote, or Assistant options. You do this because different Hisense models put the toggle in different submenus. After locating the specific voice feature, Google Assistant, built-in voice control, or a branded voice assistant, select it so the screen shows Enable/Disable choices. When you see the toggle or a Disable button, choose Disable to stop the TV from listening for wake words and from sending voice data to cloud services. Disable the voice feature and confirm any on-screen prompts so the change is saved. This prevents the TV listening for wake words and stops background voice processing. Once done, make sure to restart the TV or sign out of the assistant account if it remains active. Rebooting finalizes many preference changes. If voice still responds, check the remote's voice button settings and update the TV firmware. Sometimes an outdated OS reverts behavior. If needed, factory reset as a last resort, but back up any personalized settings first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.